Hello! Today I will be showing you how to change the batteries in this Honeywell 5853 wireless glass break sensor. The tools we're going to need for the job is a medium-sized flathead screwdriver and a CR123A battery, which can be acquired at any local hardware store. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our screwdriver and locate these two little notches at the top of the sensor. We're going to put the screwdriver into one of those notches and pry upwards with medium pressure until the latch opens. We can then fold open the sensor like so, revealing the battery. We're then going to remove the battery and replace it with our new one. Now, if you find yourself struggling to get this new battery in, don't worry. All you're going to do is you're going to line up the negative end like so, and you're going to press towards the negative side, and that should give enough room to push the positive side into place. Once you hear that click and the battery seems secure, you're going to refold the latch, clip it closed, do one more inspection to make sure there's no open gaps, and once you've completed that, you're all finished. And that's it.